Okay guys, today I will show you my little house. I have this mattress. It's milliard mattress, 6-inch. You can fold it, and I have this freezer. It's a cooler, not freezer. I use it for water. Okay, I have this for water sometimes when I need to wash my face or my hands or for water. And I have this, my clean clothes. In the front seat I have my kitchen. This is a tray. I use it for my dinner or lunch, to eat food or to prepare food. And I have this aroma. It's aroma cooker. I use it to warm my food or to cook my food. It takes 20 minutes to warm the food, and if you use in 1000 inverter, my advice for you guys, with the Prius you need 1000 pure sine inverter. I put link in the description below. If you use this inverter with this aroma, you're done. You don't need any restaurant. You're gonna just cook inside your car, and this aroma will cook your food in 10 minutes. That's it. Just 10 minutes. I have this tray for extra stuff, you know. We're gonna spend 2 nights, 2 days here, and that's the beauty of living in your car. You can live wherever you want and whenever you want. It's beautiful over here, and it's gonna be a great 2 days. Beautiful lake, and I didn't see anybody today, so I'm gonna be alone, which is great. As I said always, don't forget to help the channel with a subscribe and like button, because it's my only source of income. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.